Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Dee and I'm a thrifter and a reseller. I sell every Saturday afternoon right here on YouTube at 3 o'clock Eastern and a little bit on eBay and Mercari. Welcome back to all of my current friends and welcome to anyone new. Today I have something a little bit different for you. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used to do videos of friend mail that I would get. And I stopped doing it because I got rid of my P.O. box because it was getting to be way too expensive. So I was not getting friend mail because nobody had my address. So anyways, I would get, friend mail periodically, every now and again, but I just started to do without the videos. Well, today I decided to share a box of friend mail with you that I received from my friend Denise. So Denise, thank you so much. Big box sitting here on the floor. And I cut into it, and I am going to get all of the packing materials out. Thank you. I have more packing materials now. Oh, she sent me, these are one of those huge bags. Is this from, I forget, where's this from again? These IKEA, one of these huge IKEA bags. And you know what, Denise, Vinny brings 2 or 3 of these when we do our meetups, and these are awesome. So thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, some transfers and some decoupage paper. Oh, I'm excited. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, I remember these pictures. Look at these. These are decoupage paper, guys. Look at that little kitty and the doggy. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at this one. Oh, these are beautiful. And then we've got this pretty piece. Oh, very nice. This one, I already know what I'm going to put it on. I already know. So, Denise, I'm sure you know. She also sent me this Tim Holtz Distress ink, and the color is Pine Needles. Ooh, I can't wait to try this one. I love Tim Holtz products. I really do. Man, he's like a billionaire. Wonderful. All right. Oh, she included a note, but I will, I'll read this later. Oh, look it. Oh, I got goodies. These are those chips, you guys. There's only 4 grams of net carbs. Quest. I could not remember the name of these chips for the life of me because she sent me a couple bags in the last box, and these are so good. I am going to order myself some. Oh, barbecue protein chips. Thank you, Denise. Now I have something else to munch on besides nuts and pork rinds. Yay! Oh, look it. Oh, she sent treats for the kitties. Aw, my kitties, thank you. Sophie, Binks, and Maxie. And we've got some, oh, look at protein bars. And these are Atkins. They're delicious. Aw, look. I got a Easter bunny. A chocolate Easter bunny. I'll put this away for when I want to indulge and cheat a little bit. How cute. Oh, and by the way, Denise, look it. I have a box of them that I keep under my desk, girl. Thank you. I love those. Oh, my goodness. All right, what else did we get? Oh, how pretty is this? Look at this picture frame. Oh, that is pretty. I have a picture of Winnie and Ellie, and I think I'll print it out and put it in here and give this to Mom on Mother's Day. I think she would really like that. Oh, and this is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is this like for remotes and stuff like that? Oh, I could fix this up too. But I kind of like the natural wood. Oh boy. Oh, yes. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, another rolling pin. I got to make some for my sale this coming weekend. Aww. How beautiful. Oh, Denise. Oh my gosh, how are you giving these up? These were Denise's mom's. Look at that. How pretty. Aww. That is so sweet. I know somebody will love this. Thank you, Denise. Oh my goodness. All right, what else do we have? Oh, this is cool. F.B. Rogers Silver Company. Look at this silver basket. Oh my gosh, that is cool. That would look great with Easter eggs in it. Oh, I love that. And that would clean up beautiful. Oh, that is awesome. And then there's this last item that I unbubble wrapped. I got a phone call while I was filming this. So, a vintage frame. No guts, no glory. But this is a fantastic frame for me to do a flip with. So, yes. What a great box of goodies. Denise, thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I guess I'll get back into doing you know, friend mail videos from time to time if everybody enjoyed it. So let me know in the comments if you like the friend mail unboxings. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, Denise. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something a little bit different for